I am Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida. Today is October 30th, 2018. I am so happy that this month is almost gone. November, right around the corner, 2018, November. Why I am so happy. November 2018 is my birthday month and also Thanksgiving. So I'm going to have two good things going on. I am originally from New Orleans. I moved to Jacksonville, Florida. I started December after Christmas 2014. I complete my move in January 2015. So I've been here since then in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm about to do this review on this Toyota G and H key programmer. It's going to be very short. Here we go. Let's get started. Now, there are companies raising the prices on this, so I'm finna show some of the companies. I bought it for $15.99 from OBD II365. You about to see that. I have not used it yet. I will make another video showing me using it. They say they used it up to a 2015 Toyota Camry, I think. Subscribe to my videos. I have a lot of videos. Just Google, however you do it, on YouTube, or Google Jake Locksmith Service, Jacksonville, Florida. You'll find my videos. Subscribe so I can make more. So here we go. But they is changing these prices. And they changing them fast too on everything that's made. And when they get to the United States, ain't no telling what the price is gonna be. Y'all can go on the internet and find out for yourself. Here I go. So came on the 29th, which was yesterday. I ordered October the 8th, 2018 from this company right here, OBD II365. And this how it came right here. They not only changing the prices, they changing the color also. It's all green, and then they showing it. I wrote all this on here so y'all can know how it works. Now, when you get it, it's only gonna say Toyota G. But when you go on the internet, it say GNH chip. And there go the seal number. I guess every company put that seal number or just one seal number. I don't know. You'll find that out. And so y'all see that. October the 30th. 2018 Jacksonville, Florida. Gotta shake it off, you know. I've been outside exercising, I'm getting ready to exercise inside. That's what I'm finna do. I'm about to get ready to do that. That's what I do. Let y'all see a little bit about me, Jake Locksmith, sir. You see my baseball bat? I love dressing up. Always have, always will. I'm a man of God, Locksmith service too. Been a man of God since age 29, 1993. Ain't nothing gonna change that. I like basketball, baseball, softball, football. Been playing it most all my life. Still like playing it today. Another little thing out there. Praying for all the people. I do that all the time. I love my handcuffs. I play with them. You can do a lot of things with them handcuffs playing with. There I go. There I go. That was Jake. That's my friend dog messing with me while I'm trying to work out. Y'all see the dates. I put dates on everything so I can look back at time gone by. All right now. 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 There's a little song I wrote. Might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy. Don't worry. Be happy now. Don't worry. Be happy. I have bad days. I still be happy because I got the Lord on my side. Jesus Christ. Don't worry. Be happy. Yes, indeed. I done did that little workout and stuff. I rode my bike the other day. I'm just letting y'all see some. Yeah, I was a firefighter 2001, 2011, 12. From 2001 to 2011, 12. This the last time right here. Hurricane Isaac 2012 New Orleans. Y'all can see that's me. See y'all October 30, 2018, October 30, 2018, Jake Locksmith, Services.Jax, Florida. Subscribe to my videos. Subscribe.